Hello, what's up guys? Eman from Pepsi PH here. Welcome sa panibagong episode. Shoutout din sa mga podcast listeners natin. I appreciate you all. So today, cover natin yung first stock na ibebenta ko. And kasi yung reason nito is yung Pepsi PH is magde-delist na sa Philippine Stock Exchange. So una, magbasa muna tayo ng mga articles. Actually lately ko anong nalaman to pero at last week pa itong mga articles na to. So yun, galing sa Manila Standard.net, nasimulat ni Jennifer B. Austria, Pepsi Cola PH Board approves shares delisting. Previously may kinover akong video tackling this particular stock, yung Pepsi. Binili kasi siya ng Lotte, yung South Korean na company. So kung hindi pa na-check out yun and gusto nyo magkaroon ng background, click nyo lang tong link dito sa taas. So ayan beverage manufacturer Pepsi Cola Products Philippines Incorporated, which is majority owned by South Korea's Lotte Chilsung Beverage Corporation Limited, said Thursday it will delist its shares from the Philippine Stock Exchange. So sabi nila, in a disclosure to the stock exchange, its board of directors approved the voluntary delisting of the shares from the main board of the PSE after its public ownership fell below the required 10%. So around 2-ish% na lang yung public ownership nitong si Pepsi. That's why na-suspend nga yung trading nito a few months back. And then ito na nga, 2.1% na lang back in June after ma-purchase yung mga stocks from other shareholders itong si Lotte kasi nga kailangan nilang i-take over yung company. Yung Quicker Global Investments, BV, the wholly owned subsidiary of PepsiCo Inc., which owns a 25% stake in PCPPI, did not participate in the tender offer. So yung 25% na yun hindi nabenta, na kay Quicker Global lang yun. After to drop in its public float, the PSE immediately suspended the trading of PCPPI shares. And then, ito nga, medyo bad news din kasi hindi naman sila magiging out of business, no? Kaso PCPPI reported a net loss of 429 million pesos in its first half. So that's from January 1 to June 30. A reversal of the 446 million net income in the same period last year as the quarantine restrictions imposed by the government in mid-March in response to the pandemic limited consumer movement and consumption. So sobrang apektado kasi fast-moving goods yung binebenta nitong si Pepsi, no? So nagbabottle sila and nagbebenta sila ng soft drinks and all that, mga beverages. So first half revenues also declined to 15.3 billion from 18.4 billion a year ago. So yari talaga, revenue pa lang yan, and kapag na-factor out lahat ng expenses sila, meron silang losses. And then ito naman, isa pang article na nag-cover dito, Pepsi Cola PH Delisting from the PSE, galing sa Inquirer.net. Siyempre sinulat to ni Doris Lumlao Abadillas. Siya yung naka-assign sa mga stock related topics. So based on a disclosure to the Philippine Stock Exchange on Thursday, Lotte will make an offer to acquire up to 77.858 million common shares held by all remaining public shareholders. So isa na ako doon kasi isa to sa mga siguro mga una kong biniling stocks kasi kilala ko yung Pepsi and wala naman akong chine-check na parang fundamentals, so hindi ako nakasilip ng financials na ito lang, Pepsi, I think magandang company to, bilhin ko nga. So ganun lang. Ganun ko lang siya binili previously. And then ito, syempre, medyo bad news yung magde-delist, no? Yung PIP. However, kung medyo matagal mo na siyang binili, I think kikita ka naman. Kasi ako personally, kikita ako dito ng kahit maliit lang naman na amount. But it's still an income, no? So kahit papano, kikita ka pa rin. So ito nga, konting good news naman na galing sa Manila Standard.net. So ito, August 21 pa. So actually dito hindi pa na di-disclose nung Pepsi na sila ay magde-delist na sa PSE. Pero anyway, basahin pa rin natin. Pepsi PH keeps entire workforce despite pandemic. Entire workforce yan, so lahat ng employees nila. So Pepsi Cola Products Philippines Incorporated, the exclusive manufacturer of PepsiCo beverages in the country, kept its entire workforce despite incurring a net loss in the first half amid the challenging business environment. So that's really good of them, no? PCPPI President and Chief Executive Frederick Ong said during the recent virtual stockholders meeting that while the pandemic impacted the company's operations and finances, it did not lay off any employee. So that's really impressive. So ito so nagkaroon nga sila ng net loss na 429 million ng first half, and sobrang nag-decline yung net sales nila gawa nga ng pandemic. So 16.8% yung decline sa sales nitong si Pepsi. So 15.3 billion from 18.4 billion in the same period a year ago. So malaking dagok talaga yan. Okay, so ito naman yung stock data ni Pepsi currently. So yung status nga niya is suspended and common shares yan. Listing date niya is around 12 years ago, Feb 1, 2008. And yung board lot is 1,000. Yung market capitalization currently is at 6.2 billion pesos, and yung outstanding shares is nasa 3.6 billion. Kita nyo naman dito yung free float level, 2.11% na lang. And yung foreign ownership limit niya is 100%. So kahit na foreign company or like foreign person yung majority owner nitong si Pepsi Cola, okay lang. And then yung last traded price and previous opens, wala yan. But yung 52-week high niya is 2.10. And then 52-week low is 1.20. So kung nakabili ka dito sa 52-week low na to na 1.20 pesos per share, medyo tutubo ka ng malaki-laki kapag tinanggap mo tong tender offer na to. And syempre, highly recommend na tanggapin nyo na tong tender offer na to kasi i-delist na nga siya sa PSE, so wala nang bawian yun. So basta may hawak ka na Pepsi stock, Pepsi Cola Products Philippines Incorporated na stock, tanggapin mo ng tender offer, ibenta mo na lahat. Kasi kahit na sabihin mong, for example, nakabili ka nitong 52-week high na 2.10, and then palugi mo ibebenta, okay lang yun. At least kahit pa paano may mare-recover ka dun sa capital mo. Pero I believe majority naman sa atin is medyo mababa natin siya nabili, and then meron tayong kikitain kahit pa paano. Alright, so ito kaya medyo nagandahan din naman ako kasi dati yun nga, hindi ako bumibili ng hindi ako tumitingin ng kahit anong fundamentals. Ang tinitingnan ko lang palagi is yung current price niya, and then kung nagbibigay ba ng dividend. So ito din yung nag-prompt sa akin, bukod sa familiarity dun sa brand. Ito rin yung parang nag-push sa akin kung bakit ko binili tong si Pepsi. So nabayaran na ako ng isang beses ng itong Pepsi ng dividends back in July 11, 2019. Pero binayaran ako August 9. Ex-date yung July 11. So yun, binayaran nila ako ng 0.044 pesos per share. Hindi rin naman ganun kadaming stocks ko na nabili. 3,000 shares lang. Pero however, yan, medyo consistent naman yung pagbigay nila ng dividends according dito. And ayun, isa yun sa mga parang reason kung bakit nag-hold lang ako. Kasi di ba may naunang tender offer. Magte-take over pa lang yung Lotte. Hindi ko yung tinanggap kasi inisip ko, hindi, magkano naman to, babalik naman to, malilist naman ulit to sa PSE, or like matatanggal yung suspension sa trading. But however, sadly, ayun, delist na talaga siya completely. So ito naman yung financials ni Pepsi. So consistent naman siya kumikita, medyo olats lang noong 2018. Not sure kung anong reason kung ba't nagkaganito. Yung losses nila is nasa 199.54 million pesos. Pero nung previous years naman, healthy naman, 812 and then 853 noong 2015 and 2016. Tas 2017, medyo bumaba siya, 541 million. And then yun nga, nag-incur sila ng losses noong 2018. And then last year, medyo lumiit. Pero at least kumita pa rin sila. Nasa 298.73 million pesos. And ito, wala silang data na sa PSE Edge for the first quarter and second quarter ng 2020. But ito yung numbers niya nung last quarter of 2019. So, period ended December 31 yan. So, in 1,000 pesos to, so nasa 162.3 million din yung losses sila on that last quarter. However, kumita pa rin naman sila after the year has ended. Yun nga, 298 million pesos. Okay. So ito na yung position ko sa Pepsi. So yung last traded price niya bago siya masuspend back in June is nasa 1.7 pesos per share. Yung average cost ko is nasa 1.42 pesos per share. 3,000 shares yung binili ko and yung current market value niya nasa 5K. Total cost 4.2K. So, paper gain niya ng 763 pesos per share and up siya ng 17.82%. However, nasa 1.95 kasi, no? Yung tender offer nito. So, mas malaki pa yung kikitain ko. So, kung BPI trade yung gamit nyo, so, napakadali lang mag-participate dito sa tender offer na to kung meron kayong stock ni PIP. So, punta lang kayo sa main. So, ito naman yung yung default. Tapos, punta kayo sa subscriptions. So, nasa third tab lang yun. Click nyo lang yun. And then, click nyo tong view. Ito. After nyan, makikita nyo to. So, basahin nyo na lang to. Parang formality lang naman to. Hindi naman siya sobrang halaga. Naka-indicate lang dito yung bidder, yung i-cover nila na shares, kung gaano kadaming bibili nila, and then yung deadline and all that. Then after yun, meron pang entitlement, tender offer period price, yun nga 1.95 pesos per share. And then yung offer period is from September 17 to October 12. So, dapat before October 12 or like as early as possible dapat tanggapin nyo na itong tender offer na to. And then, ito nga, yung total number shares held as of September 17, 2020, nasa 3,000 yung sa akin. So, yung total ko na makukuha is 5,850 pesos. I'm not sure kung itatax to, but I believe hindi siya itatax. I'm not sure. Kasi hindi ko alam kung paano natatax yung itong tender offer na to. Kasi basically hindi ka naman magte-trade eh. Kasi kailangan nilang parang iba-buyback ba kumbaga. Pero yung stock buyback ang tinataxan din eh ng capital gains. But ito I'm not sure. Kasi sa tingin ko dapat ibawas na nila agad dito. I believe. Para like makita mo kung ano yung talagang actual figure ng kikitain mo. But anyway, kahit naman mataksan yan, okay lang. Malaki pa rin yung kinita ko kahit papaano. So ayan, after nito, so please fill up the tender offer form below on or before October 12, 2020, 3 p.m. So ito, huwag nyo na itong i-click. Dapat itong nasa baba. I will or we will tender number of entitled shares to tender amount. So, 3,000 shares yung ita-tender offer ko. And click mo lang to. I or we agree with the above terms and conditions. Then, click mo yung submit. After nyan, okay na. I-email ka nila na yun nga, tinanggap mo na yung tender offer and all that. Save nyo na lang yun, I guess. Para like, meron kayong proof or whatever. And ito, yung realized profit ko kapag nabili na nitong si Lotte na buyback na yung mga stocks na currently nagpo-float. Ayan, yung realized profit is nasa 1,566.9 pesos. So, hindi na masama, no? Hindi siya sobrang laki, hindi rin naman sobrang liit. But, ayun, hinold ko siya since I think Feb or March 2019. So more than a year ko siya hinold and ito yung nakuha ko. Okay naman, nabigyan din naman ako ng dividend. So it's not really that bad. Okay, good buy tong Pepsi na to. And ayun, ito yung unang stock na ibebenta ko sa almost 2 years kong pag-i-invest sa stock market. So yun nga, sinasabi ko pa dati na never ako magbebenta ng stock. Pero syempre ito, special case to. And nabasa ko rin sa libro ni Warren Buffett. Actually, hindi ni Warren Buffett, ni Benjamin Graham, na dapat alam mo kung kailan magbenta. Alam mo dapat yung mga timing, no? Alam mo dapat kung kailan magandang bumili. And alam mo kung dapat ibenta na ba yung stock. Katulad dito, diba? I-delist siya. So, it wouldn't make sense to keep holding on the stock kasi hindi na rin sila kumikita. Hindi sila makapagbigay ng dividends. And ayun nga, i-delist na sila. So, ano ba yung pinaka-logical move? It is to take the tender offer and ibenta na yung stocks. And yun nga, kumita pa rin naman ako kahit papano. So, win-win situation. Alright, so we are heading towards the end of this episode. Silipin muna natin yung mga sources for today's video. So, yun yung si PSE Edge, BPI Trade, 2 articles galing sa Manila Standard, Enquirer.net, and then a photo from Unsplash. So, lahat ng links yan is matatagpuan sa description sa baba. Alright, ayun. So, kung fan kayo ng NBA basketball, nanalo si Giannis. Antetokounmpo ng second consecutive MVP niya. So, congrats sa kanya. And ngayon, meron na naman tayong question of the day. So, yung tanong is, what was the first stock that you bought? So, for me, yung una kong stock na binili is Emperador. So, 500 shares yung binili ko. Total na binayaran ko is nasa 3,562.93. And binili ko yan back in December 17, 2018 pa, no? So, almost 2 years ago. So, medyo matagal na rin. And currently, hinohold ko pa rin tong company na to. So, lagyan nyo na lang sa comments sa baba kung ano yung first stock na binili nyo. Alright, end na natin yung episode here, guys. Sana may natutunan kayo. And if umabot kayo at the end of this video, thank you very much. I appreciate you. Don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up and share nyo na rin if natripan nyo yung content ko. Sobrang makakatulong yun sa algorithm ni YouTube. Twice a week ako nag-upload ng mga videos similar to this. So, subscribe ka na and ring the notification bell para wala ka ma-miss out. Thanks again for watching. Stay safe and always remember, be Peso smart.
Show me.